Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Page of Pentacles, the Star, and Page of Cups, and Ten of Cups. There is communication is coming for you, Capricorn. Lots of communication. Children's also involved in this connection and wish fulfillment. Definitely in future, your wishes are going to be granted, and there is big happiness is coming into your way. Lot of positive shift. Someone keep tabs on you and keep putting tabs on you, and they are spying you a lot. Yes, there is communication. For some apology is coming. So let's see our reading recent past. 10 of Wands, High Priestess, and 2 of Swords. So you are feeling overburdened. Maybe in relationship wise, your emotions are running high. For some, you only the person always taking care of this relationship. They are in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. You started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. Because you are at some crossroads, you are in some confusion, you have to make some decision, but you are unable to make because 2 of Swords. So you started listening to your intuition. Guys, trust your intuition, follow your intuition. That is my suggestion. Then present, Queen of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, and 9 of Pentacles. So you keep waiting on someone or something. Still you are waiting. If you are in separation, if there are some issues in relationship, right now, yes, you're still waiting, but your total focus is on your career, on your abundance, because Queen of Pentacles with 9 of Pentacles. So you want financial stability. You are working on your abundance, Capricorn. This is very, very good. You want independence financially. Then future, 8 of Wands, the Moon, and 10 of Swords. There is lots of communication is coming in your way, but there are some trust issues between you and your person. You are manifesting something into your life. At the same time, in relationship wise, there are some arguments or fightings between you and your person, and you are very tired and you are fed up with this energy. Yes, you want to move on from this person, but still somewhere the part of you want this person in your life. Yes, still you want back this person into your life, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Pisces. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. The Fool, Chariot, and 8 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. If they walked away from this connection, now they want a brand new beginnings with you. They want to begin again with zero with you. And the Chariot. Yes, right now they are at some crossroads, but they will get clarity very soon and they will come forward. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Capricorn. King of Swords, sorry. Queen of Wands. 10 of Pentacles. The Lovers with 8 of Wands. Lots of communication is coming. And the Lovers. There is love. There is passion between you and your person. And 3 of Cups. And they want take this relationship to next level. This time your person is very serious about you. Maybe in past there are some issues between you and your person, Capricorn. For some third party involved, family could be the issue here. But right now your person very passionate about you and they really want to work on this relationship, but they are not expressing their true feelings to you because King of Swords. Maybe they are very detached, uh, and they are not expressing their feelings. And Queen of Wands, again they are very aggressive in nature, but they want stability in this connection. 10 of Pentacles. So let's see their intentions. Four of Pentacles. Yes, they are not expressing what I told. Seven of Cups with Two of Cups. It's a mutual love. You both love each other. And the Hangman with Ace of Cups and Two of Wands. They are thinking about you a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. Yes, they do love you. Ace of Cups is here. Their love towards you is overflowing, but they are not expressing their feelings. But future they will, because Two of Cups is here. Definitely they are gonna express their true feelings. Right now they are in some confusion. Maybe they have options because Seven of Cups with Two of Wands. Definitely they have options, but they are going to be choose you and they will express. Lots of communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Wheel of Fortune. Two of Swords. Yes, they are waiting for right time because they are at some crossroads. And 10 of Cups. They want reconciliation. If you are not in separation with this person, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want happy family with you. For some, you both have age differences also. Capricorn. Cards are flying. King of Wands, you are taking your control back. Yes, now you are no more dependent on anyone, especially emotionally. Now you're taking your control back, your power back, and you want your happiness. You want to take care of yourself first. You want to protect your emotions because they're always giving you false hope. When you're concentrating on this person, you're feeling stuck. That's why right now you are concentrating on yourself only, Capricorn. So let's pull mutual cards. Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Libra. Yes. I think right now there is a lot of drama is going. Maybe there are some issues going between you and your person. Patience is the key. You both have to be patient. Things will get better because the Sun and King of Pentacles, but patience is the key. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Don't leave me behind. Text is coming. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Player. Long distance relationship. I fantasize about you a lot. Don't leave me behind. Text is coming. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Player. Long distance relationship. I'm fantasize about you. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Communication is key. Yes, because lots of communication is coming. New moon in Gemini energy. And balance, spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So if you're doing a lot of work and you're not doing any meditation, this is the message for you. Balance, spirituality and practicality. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.